Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the concept of more and less. MORE more and LES less. More ज़्यादा, less कम. I'll show you something. There uh, are two bottles of soft drinks. It is full, but it has less. So, which bottle has more uh, drink? So, first one has more. You see, na, it is filled and it is less, so it has more and it has less. But we have to टिक द वंस विच हैव लेस क्वांटिटी. हमें उन्हीं को टिक करना है विच हैव लेस क्वांटिटी. सो दिस बॉटल हैज द लेस क्वांटिटी. When we cannot count the things, we say it is more and less. अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स के लिए हम मोर एंड लेस यूज़ करते हैं. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, दोज थिंग्स विच आर काउंटेबल, वी यूज़ मोर एंड फ्यू एंड मोर. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उनके लिए हम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करते हैं फ्यू एंड मोर. एंड दिस मोर एंड लेस इज़ यूज्ड फॉर अनकाउंटेबल, जिनको हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं. वी कांट काउंट द जूस और द सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक, सो वी यूज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर this quantity, more or less. Now I'll show you the another picture. In this picture there are the two same bottles, and this bottle is full with the orange juice, but this bottle has less. So which one we have to tick? हम किसको टिक करेंगे? Which bottle has less quantity? This bottle has less quantity, so we will tick this one. Now student, can you tell me which cup has more ice cream, or you can more squash? Yes, this one has more, this has less. So which one I take? मैं किसको टिक करूँगी? We will take the less one. Oh, it's a cold. Ice cubes are also in the water. This glass is full of water, but this glass has less water. So which one I take? I have to take less one. So I take it here. Can you tell me which jar has more jam? Yes, first jam has more, but the second jar has less jam. So you have to take second one. Which one has less? Yes, this one has less and this has more. So we have to take less one. Now children, we do one activity. I fill this cup with water. I fill it 1 cup of water. I filled in this glass. Now I take another cup of water and I fill with it. Okay children, now I take another cup of water and fill this glass. Now I put two cup of water in this glass. I put 1 cup of water in this glass. इसमें 2 और इसमें 1. Which has the less? This one has the less because it has only 1 cup of, and this has 2 cup of water. So it has more quantity and it has less quantity. Now you do this activity, make a video and send it to me. And now I'll tell you about the same quantity. Now I take another cup of water and filled this glass. Now these glass have the same quantity, 2 cup of water, 2 cup of water. Now these have same quantity. So beta, you have to do this activity, make a video and send it to me.